Hey, it's Coach Maggie with another 5-Minute Monday Mindset. Welcome to a new week. Today I want to talk about changing our mindset around setting goals. Most of the time we're very ambitious, which is good, and we set goals, but we don't think about how we're going to achieve those goals. And what I've come to realize is we need to set the goal, but then we need to work backwards in order to figure out how to get from where we are now to where we want to be in 3 weeks, 5 weeks, 10 weeks, a year? In my course, Restore Your Health Academy, we're getting towards the end of our 12 weeks together. And we set goals early on. And we have been strategically looking at, okay, where am I now? And if we're not quite where we need to be, how do I get there? Again, if the goal is way out there and we haven't really thought how we're getting there, it's easy to stay stuck in one area, not realizing, oh, the time is ticking away and nothing is changing. Let me give you a couple examples. We don't hesitate, for example, with finances. If we're planning a summer trip, we know, okay, from this is where I'm at now, this is how much I want to make sure I have for that trip. And so we set a certain amount aside each month so that we have it when the time comes. But for some reason, we don't necessarily follow that principle in regular everyday life. So let's take 2 examples. Let's say you want to get more sleep. That's one I've been working on. And what I was realizing is I was just going to bed at random times and yet feeling a little bit depleted in the morning. So I knew that I wanted to get 8 hours of sleep. And I figured out what time I wanted to be awake. And so then I had to work backwards. So now, about 9:30, 10, I'm winding down in order to be up at the time that is good for me. What about the person that says, okay, I want to lose 10 pounds? That's great. That's a great goal. But if we just keep saying, yep, I want to lose 10 pounds, and we don't make steps, we don't put things into place for that to happen, more than likely, you're not going to lose those 10 pounds. But if we say instead, I want to lose 10 pounds in 12 weeks, and then we work backwards. All right, so what do I have to do each week? What are the things that are going to help me? Is it going to be exercise? Is it going to be where I'm changing the way I'm eating? I'm changing the way I'm thinking. That's a big one. What are the things that I need to do? So as we go into this week, think about where you want to be 5 days, 7 days from now, and then work backwards. What do you need to do each day to make the weekend what you want it to be? The holidays are coming. What are the things that you need to be doing to make sure you're ready for the holidays? By the way, I do have a free holiday planning guide, so I'll put it in the link, so make sure and check that out. But in any case, we're going to be coming into a new year, and again, people will be saying, oh, that's, it's just too hard, there's no point in doing resolutions. Well, they're right, but what we need to be doing is setting her up for success. Have a goal, but then begin to work backwards. By the way, I'm going to be starting a new Restore Your Health Academy in January. So be thinking about it. Definitely, it's something that you want to check out. We are working on creating our own individual wellness plan. And again, we set goals at the beginning, and now we're working together towards those goals. Everyone's are different, but we're helping each other and encouraging each other towards getting those goals accomplished. So again, have a wonderful week and make sure that you're really paying attention and you're taking steps every single day. And if for some reason things get out of whack and you miss a day, don't let that stop you. Instead, keep plowing through. So of course, be blessed and take care.